7-hour national USPAP update course, student answers. Page 4. From your perspective. Number 2. An appraiser is performing an appraisal of a small retail property for the property owner. The intended use of the appraisal is for the estate planning. Before the appraiser completes the appraisal report, the client informs her that he has hired a new financial planner, and the appraiser and client agree that the financial planner should be identified as an additional intended user. Number 1. In this scenario, does adding an intended user change the scope of work? Why or why not? Answer: probably not. The appraiser must confirm that the use of a financial planner does not trigger any additional development-related requirements. If it does not, there is no change to the scope of work. However, the financial planner may not be as familiar with the subject property as the owner is. So, the content necessary for the intended users to understand the report may be different, which could affect the amount of information and level of detail in the report. Number 2. In this scenario, does adding an intended user result in a new assignment? Why or why not? Answer: not necessarily. The assignment may have changed, but as long as the change is during the assignment, it is not necessarily a new assignment. On the other hand, there is nothing in USPAP that would prohibit the appraiser from calling it a new assignment. Number 3. Would the answers to the previous questions be any different if the change was made after the report was issued? Why or why not? In this case, this is the answer. The change occurs after the appraiser had performed the scope of work and issued the report. The change does not occur at the time of the assignment, per definition of intended user. The only way to accommodate such a request at this point would be in a new assignment.